see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Good morning! Sila kuya nag-ano na. Where's your baby? Okay, get your baby. Sila kuya nag-breakfast na. Gumawa na sila ng sarili ng breakfast. Ha? Gawan ko sila ng lunch. Okay, okay baby. Kunin ko lang yung baby niya. Did you get your snacks kuya?
No.
Okay.
Mama,
Banana.
open.
Okay, what you gonna say?
I want cheese.
What you gonna say? Do you want cheese?
Get more.
Get more.
I like
You like?
it.
Baba, why your card is here?
I'll open it.
Okay.
This box is there. Mom.
I think so.
Finish.
Okay, come on.
Get more. Mom. Yeah. Mom.
Yeah.
And Mom, this that one. That one.
What that one?
That one. This one, please. That one, please. No.
No, thank
Too
you.
hard. I can do it.
No, it's alright. Holly can.
She can't. No. You can't. My one can.
Oh, mommy can.
I didn't. Yeah, you can't.
Ano sasabihin?
Hindi.
You're welcome.
They have the same color and the same. Huh?
Do you want me to cut it into 4 or into 2? 2. Manuel.
Mom, please.
Did you brush your teeth? Okay. Alis na sila. See you. Listen and
Learn.
learn. Ay!
Where'd you go to sleep? Where's my rainbows?
I don't know. Where did you put it? Ay! Siya na kasi nagpe-prepare ng kanyang tubig. Ayan siya. Pa-hard to get si Holly. Oh. It's alright. It's alright, kuya.
Turn them down.
What happened? Ah, okay. Italik ko.
I love you, listen, learn.
Okay. Are you perfect?
Yes. My face is.
Yung face niya daw perfect. Because of your what?
Hair.
Hindi siya alis siya nag-aayos ng buhok niya. Hindi niya
Thank
na...
you, boss.
See you. Say see you, guys.
See you, guys.
Maglalakad sila. Hindi yan naalis na hindi ayos ang buhok niya. Oh, ayan na si Holly.
Is that sticking up?
Ha? No, it's alright. Tinitingnan niya kung may nakatayo. See ya! Watch. Okay. See ya. Uh-oh! See ya! See you na. Watch. Listen, learn. Watch the car, ha? See you. Watch the car.
Hey, Baba. What?
And ako naman, eto yung aking breakfast. Yung, ano? Ayun, ubos niya na raw yung kanyang yogurt. Yung akin, eto yung Uncle Toby's na oatmeal na ang ano niya, flavor is apple and raspberry. And iinom ako ng Berocca. So, nasa microwave na yung ating oatmeal. Inumin ko na to.
I want that one.
I know you do, but you can't.
I want that one. There's a water. Is mine.
Hindi pwede, Baba. O, naglalambing siya kasi gusto niya. Wala na, ubos na, love. Yeah, I finish it all. So, eto na yung oatmeal natin. And maglalagay ako, ayun, inunahan na tayo ni Holly. Hoy, Baba, ako. Maglalagay ako ng chia seeds. Ayan. Maganda tong lalagyan na to kasi airtight siya and madali lang siyang
What's that for?
madali lang siyang buksan.
What's that for?
Ha?
What's that for?
This is to add
Guys.
nutrients to your food. So, ayan. So, yan ang breakfast natin. Walang bacon, ubos na. Oh, naglalagay pa siya. Ayan, push mo lang siya. Sarado na siya. Tapos, pag gusto mo buksan, push ulit. Ayan. Tapos, ayan, may rubber siya dyan. Oh. Airtight. No, you don't smell, Baba. Okay, kain na tayo. Palamigin ko lang siyang konti. And mag-edit muna ako na kahit ilang minutes kasi wala akong na-edit kagabi. So, mag-edit tayo. Kausap ni Holly si daddy niya. Kasi yung daddy niya nasa nagda-drive ng pabalik galing Geelong. Yes. Dapat mag-grocery ako kaso sabi niya darating daw siya mga ano? I can't, Baba. Oh, it's gonna fall. Oh, see? See? Mommy needs to hold it. Ilagay ko daw sa sa table. No, okay, like that? Alright. So, dapat mag-grocery kami ni Holly kasi ano na, 10:30 na, mag-grocery dapat kami. Kaso, sabi ni Jam, bukas na lang kasi Tuesday ngayon, di ba? Tuesday ako. Oh, Daddy can't see you, Baba. Oh, Tuesday ako di ba every Tuesday na ako ngayon mag-grocery. Kaso, sabi ni Jam, bukas na lang kasi late siya darating. Baka, pag-uwi ng bata, walang tao dito. Kasi medyo malayo rin ang Geelong mga How many hours to Geelong to here? How many hours to Geelong to here? From Geelong to here?
Probably 4.
4 hours. So, parang Adelaide din. So, sabi niya, bukas na lang ako mag-grocery. Pero meron naman ako dyan na oh, hold this, Baba. Tingnan ko nga kung ano. Wait, Baba, ha? Wala na kasing wala akong ham, pero siguro may hotdog pa ako sa freezer. Wait lang, tingnan ko. Pero may apple pa ba ako? Kasi di ba kumuha rin akong konting apples nung ba yon? Kailan ba yon? Nung isang araw. Kasama ko kayo nun. And akyat ako dito kasi naglalagay ako ng extrang biscuits dito sa pantry, dito sa taas. Pang emergency ba, pag ganito, pag hindi ako makapag-grocery on time. Kasi wala na dito, oh. Wala nang laman. Ubus na. O, yan. Wala na siya, oh. And, dito rin. Ayan, isa na lang yung natitira. So, wala na silang pangbaon, pero naglalagay ako dito. Eto, ayan. Nag-stock ako dito pang emergency. Wait, honey, pang emergency kasi pag ganitong ganyan si Jan may lakad. Tapos nagkataon na time ng pag-grocery ko. Hindi ako makakapag-grocery kasi nga may lakad siya. Yung mga bata pa nag-uwi galing school, walang tao dito, so hindi pwede 'yun. So, buti na lang, meron tayong emergency biscuit. So, ayan. So, bukas na lang ako mag-grocery. And, tapusin ko na lang ito pag-i-edit ko. Kasi, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, mag-edit lang akong konting oras. Tapos, mag-grocery. Kaso, tumawag naman si Jan na wag na raw ako mag-grocery ngayon. So, yeah. Lagay ko lang to sa labas. Dito ko to linalagay sa may ano. Dito ba? Para accessible lang siya pag ayan, dyan lang siya. Malapit dito. Sa may pinto. So, wait lang. Kausapin ko lang si Jan. Ayan, mayroon tayong biscuits. Lagay ko muna to dito. Yeah, dito na muna yan. Ito yung si Holly. Ang dal-dal niya, diba? Where are you?
Yeah.
Who are you talking? What did you say? Is he funny? What did you say to Daddy? See ya! See ya! Love you! Bye! Ala, press na ni Holly. Wala ka nagsasalita pa ang daddy mo. Come on, Baba. Come on. Meron kasing dumating na, dilim, dumating na package. Ito yung, di ba naalala nyo nung umalis sila dyan, pumunta ng Melbourne, ito na yata yun yung sinukat na golf stick para kay Kuya TJ. Hoy, Baba, halika na. So, mamaya, tingnan natin pagdating ni Jan. Lunch, ito yung kay Holly, yung...
That's mine.
Yeah, this is your nuggets, yung dinosaur snacks na tempura.
Mine.
Yun nga, nuggets. And french fries sa kanya. And then, ito yung para mamaya sa aming gawa ko ng tawag nun, quesadilla ulit. Ay, tingnan nyo si Holly habang nagluluto. Tingnan nyo ang ginagawa niya. Pinapaikot niya ng pinapaikot, tapos lalambitin siya. Oh, wala na. Kanina ang cute niya. Ayan, inulit niya ulit. So, gagawa ko ng shake. Ito ulit, watermelon. And wala na akong spinach. So, ito na lang na lettuce. And, itry ko tong, itong 5 AM organic na, yes, baby. Blueberry burst yogurt. Ayan. Ayan na naman po siya, oh. Hoy, ako na mag-open. Hinihintay ito ni Holly. And si Holly, tingnan nyo, hindi pa siya nakabihis. Kasi yan na yung pangbahay niya na rin. Yan yung pinantulog niya. Kasi hindi ko na siya binilhan ng pajama. Kasi ang mahal ng pajama dito. And sabi ko, ang pajama niya na lang is yung mga, ayan, mga t-shirt niya. Yung summer t-shirt. Kasi hindi niya na yan masusot next year. So, pag sinuot niya yan na pantulog, diretso na yan pangbahay. Kasi naliligo naman siya every night, right? Did you have a shower last night?
Yeah.
With who?
Wait, see guys.
And? Bibilhin ko to ulit kasi masarap siya and organic siya. Ito yung blueberry, yung nung isang araw yung blueberry, hindi masarap.
Pero,
Masarap siya. Holly, save some for mommy for her shake, okay? Unahin ko tong ito yung lettuce, yung parang cabbage. Parang cabbage. Ito ba? Ayan, Ako din, nakapang tulog pa rin ako. Anong oras na? 11:30. Pahinang naman kasi. Mamaya, di ba nag-exercise ako kahapon? Masakit yung dito. Eto. Masakit siya pag naaray. Ayan, pag binibend. So, it means to say, nag-work yun. Yung pa-shaky-shaky kong machine. At saka yung, di ba nag-squat din ako? So, mamaya, nag-exercise ulit tayo. Tinatapos ko lang itong ma-edit kasi kahapon pa ako walang vlog. Uy, Baba. So, dalawang ulit ang gagawin ko para mamaya. Kasi masarap siya. Oops, yung almond natin, Baba. Nasaan na yun? Can I have some? Masarap siya. Tapos organic pa siya. Tingnan ko bukas kung mayroon ito sa Coles. Kasi sa Woolies ko ito nabili. Harap. Pag naubos yung watermelon ko dun sa freezer, bibili ulit ako ng watermelon kasi masarap siya. Then, And etong almond na milk. So, ayan. Ganyan lang. So, walang ice. Hindi na ako gumagamit ng ice kasi yung watermelon na lang. Tapos, syempre, Yakult. Hoy, Baba, I need some for our shake. Shake. Shake, Baba. Shake. 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 No, not that one. Sinishake.
He's big.
Oh, no, not for me, Baba. For our shake, Baba. Yan, pahingi. Ayan, tapos ko lang gawin yung isa. Yung isa, lalagyan ko ng carrots. Kasi may carrots pa ako.
David.
You like carrots? So, carrots, cabbage tuloy. Lettuce, and watermelon. Si Holly, kumakain siya ng watermelon na frozen. Ito yung kay Holly para mamaya. So, sana matapos ko itong pag-i-edit ko para makapag-exercise tayo. Kasi malinis naman yung bahay. Nag-ano lang siya, yung dolls niya lang yung nasa nandun, nasa mesa. Right, Baba? Ayan, tapos ito ulit. Organic din to. Shake ulit natin. What? Pamihan natin ito. So, ayan. So, ayan. Ang kulay niya is orange compared dito kasi nga may carrots to. Ayan, oh. Gusto niya nang inumin kanina pa. And, linagyan ko rin siya ng, eto, sinimot ko na yung yogurt. Ang sarap nito. So, yeah. Kain na tayo ng lunch.
Mom, guys, yogurt.
Yeah.
What is that watermelon?
Yeah, this is watermelon with yogurt and Yakult. So, ito yung akin. So, kain muna tayo ng lunch. Ayan, ready na yung lunch namin ni Holly. Ito yung inner fry kong giblet tsaka liver. And ang partner niyan is yung lettuce. Ito yung kay Holly. Yung nuggets tsaka fries. Tapos ito yung kanyang shake. And ito yung akin. Ito para mamaya. So, ayan. So, ang gagawin ko dito, ganito. Wait. So, ayan. Nakita nyo ba? So, ang gagawin ko dito sa lettuce, kukuha ko ng ganyan. Ganito. And, ibabalot natin yan na ganyan. O, diba? Parang Korean lang. Tapos, harap. Here, Baba. Gusto niya raw i-try. Yeah, okay. Bite ikaw. Wait. Try daw siya. Wait, Baba, ha? Oops. Crunchy. Okay. Bite. Bite. Sarap. Laki? Nakain muna kami. What you gonna say? Thank you. Tapos na kaming kumain and tapos na rin ako mag-edit. And ayan na siya. Kaya pala siya quiet kasi tulog na siya. Oh. Nanood lang siya ng ng cartoons and doon sa labas naglaro siya habang nag-edit ako. And ayan na siya. Tulog. Ay, sorry Papa. Kanina ka pa tulog dyan. Balik siya. Sorry. Nagising. Pero bumalik ulit siya. Andito na si John and yung kids. And I have something for you, hon. Sorry. There's a package there.
Where? You serious?
Yes. May bago si Kuyang sapatos din. Where did you get this from, hon?
Geelong.
Geelong?
We ordered that
No,
guy ordered.
fell right.
Bala. Did you order this?
Yeah.
Oh.
They're in, so I went through and go.
Wow. So, kailangan i-order to. Wala to sa mga sa mga... kahit sa golf shop, wala to. Kailangan i-order yung size ni Kuya.
Put all these down.
Ayan na.
Grab the big box.
Just one, Baba. Iyak si Holly kasi gusto niya
Alright, I got
na.
you that. Look at this.
Wow.
Look at that.
Ayan na. Wow.
You want to have a look at the new one? New driver?
Look at that, Zach.
Careful.
No, new driver.
Yes. What's
What?
the brand, honey?
US Kids.
Ayan yung brand. US Kids Golf. So, eto na yung size ni Kuya.
Look at that.
I got the hay.
Yeah, because
How many clubs?
Putter TJ.
Excited ang dad.
Look at the grip.
Si Sak hindi pa. Yung kay Kuya, yung dati ni Kuya, kay Sak na rin yun. So, dalawa na yung kay Sak. Yung, di ba meron siya nakuha nung Christmas, yung blue. Yung kay Kuya, yung red, sa kanya na rin.
Yep. How's that feel nice and balanced?
Yeah, this is just nearly just like yours.
Ilan? How many?
7, 8, 6,
Good.
7, 8, 9.
Numbers yan. Mga numbers yung sinasabi ni Jan.
Pitch and wedge,
Good.
52 degrees and 56.
Dad, I got all these on the.
That's the new driver.
Wow. Wow.
I've
So
been
yun.
hitting them.
Let me, is it heavy? It's not heavy,
No,
huh?
it's-
Let me see.
What?
Let me see. Oh, this is lighter than,
Mine.
yeah, yung kay Sak mabigat. Yung kay Kuya
It's
dyan, yung
way
dati
better than
mabigat.
my other one.
Your old one is heavier.
So,
Yeah,
these
What?
are like the other ones, man.
Ayan.
Yeah, just put them in like that. You got it the right way?
Si Sak, ayan.
Come on, Paul.
Kukunan din sana si Sak, kaso wala pa yung sa kanyang size. So, maghihintay muna
You
siyang
can have these
tumangkad.
back when your TJ gets big for these.
So you gonna have second hand, Zachary.
No, I'm not having cake, guys.
Why?
Why? Why?
Yay, Dad, we got more rubber bands.
Oh, yung tira-tira pala sa iyo, Sak. Kasi si Kuya. Oh, sayang naman kasi yun kasi may pricey din yun.
Go for it.
That's
Look at
Daddy. Oh, wait sa Kuya ha. Careful. Ang gaan niya. Mas magaan siya dun sa golf stick ni Sak tsaka ni
Where's the
Kuya.
cover for that? Look at that for hybrid.
I don't think we do have a cover for it.
Hindi yan o. Wala yan sa mga golf shop. So, kailangan mo siyang i-order.
Oh,
Kaya
sis.
pumunta si Jan dun sa Melbourne tsaka si TJ. Tapos
Sis.
sinukatan si Kuya. Pinatry sa kanya lahat. Kung ano yung babagay sa height ni Kuya. Right, Kuya? Naintindihan ako niya ni Kuya. Nakakaintindi.
No, the hybrid have to have a cover.
How many? That one?
Let me nip up there.
How many, Han? How many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10?
Yeah.
Wow.
You got all the 6 on them.
9.
Is it just like the same as you, Han?
No, I've got to 3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5.
I've got 14 clubs. You only allowed 14 clubs. in the
Yeah, you only allowed to have 14.
And you have 10. Why only 10 then for TJ? For the
Well, you're
kids?
gonna need a 4, 3 on and that.
Okay.
No. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Have a look at them for wedges.
Kayo na lang umintindi
Yeah,
sa
I'm
mga
gonna go
sinasabi nila.
outside and go.
Tour series. Look. Well, them wedges.
Yeah.
Oh,
These
sharing,
wedges like
caring.
that,
Sharing, caring na
you know.
naman
You
si
just swing
Holly.
through it because they're so lofted. All you gotta do is swing through it because the loft will pop it up. You don't have to.
Yeah, Dad, do I have a lob wedge?
These are 2 lob wedges.
Oh.
It's light, right, Zach? Yung sa kanila ano, heavy.
Let's get some cups.
It's 48 degrees.
They'll give you two clubs extra out of that. 7, no. 6.
Hindi pala
7,
10.
8, 9. Pitch and wedge.
Lob wedges.
So how many?
They'll
How
give you
many?
an extra.
I think that's spare.
Nah.
So 11 pieces.
Hey.
Here, give me a look. He's accidentally give me an extra one.
So that's a spare.
Well, not.
Yeah.
I don't know, Zach.
That would
So,
be too big for him.
may nadoble. So sabi niyan, isa uli niya raw yung isa.
Yeah, I know, but we probably should return it.
Oh. I-return ni Jan yung isa kasi nadoble daw.
When are we gonna return it?
Oh, Daddy will ring him.
What do I have? Too big.
Too big. Let me see, Papa.
There's no heavy.
Let me see. Wow, US Golf. US Kid. Ay, ano ba yan?
Man, this
Baba, Kuya TJ.
Shell.
Kuya TJ. Kuya TJ. Try this one for mommy, please. US Kids Golf.
He's made a mistake, so return it.
Yeah, you have to return that, Baba. Tinatanong ni Sak, bakit daw i-return? Kasi sobra nga. Aling ka. Patingin. Wow, Kuya.
Where's my Mentos? I need one.
Be like this, it's got to be all the same. Line, straight back, hit. Beautiful.
Nice.
And
Cover.
Ingatan mo yan, Kuya, ha? My God.
Here, Jojo.
Na-shock ako sa presyo niya. Ayan, sukatin niya na yung kanyang new wow.
there's something in it.
What?
You do one, 2 weeks.
What? Go, Daddy. What's that? This one. Why, honey, give it to me. The gel.
The what?
This one.
That's
Because
it, there's only one.
there's only one. Okay.
Here, come here. Got room?
What is that?
Oh, I hope so.
I still have my Nike one that I haven't tried.
No, is that your... Oh, no. Where's your other one?
I'm nearly at the end there.
No, you're not. Stand up.
Bago pa lang. Ano?
No, you got the other ones are too big. You still got that much.
Oh, Kuya.
Not too.
Look, can I take them off?
No. We'll walk around, see what it feels like. Makes you a bit higher too.
That's his first shoes, right? Golf shoes, huh? Meron kasi siyang isa dyan. Malaki pa sa kanya
Yeah,
yung...
they choose one my Nike one. So
Yung Nike. You like it?
No thanks.
Kay Sak wala. Kasi walang size. Ngayon lang nga si Kuya nagkaroon ng golf shoes. Kasi malilit ang... malalaki yung sizes.
Oh, that was quick too. What they feel like?
good.
How about you, Jackie boy?
How you don't move like that? That's what it was just.
Well,
It was only this.
fairway drive, 6 iron, 8 on.
Hey, so, eto yung ano.
See 137, like in between 137 and 130.
Centimeter.
TJ was about 127.
127 centimeter. Eto siya. 51.
It did it in the
51 inch. Ayan. So, kaya... Shopping?
yeah.
Okay. Kinakausap tayo ni Holly. So, ayan. Kaya mayroong ganyan. So, yan yung height ni Kuya. So, yeah. Find your size. So, ayan. Kaya tama lang na pag linakyan na yan ni Kuya, kay Sak na yan. Kasi hindi siya ganun kamura. Ha?
How's that?
Let me see, Kuya.
Good?
Turn around. Let me see. Alis ka dyan, darling. Turn around, Kuya. Wow.
Now to go up.
Where's your hat?
I can have your red now. Pogi.
Not for me.
What? Sukatin ni Kuya, oh. Ang brand pala nito is, what's this, Kuya?
Good.
Foot joint.
Look.
Kuya TJ, look.
Daddy classic. It's not Dad.
It's Daddy. Shades. No, it's not Daddy. It's Kuya.
Put them on properly, mate.
I have to buy you a new socks, Kuya. A socks that's only for your golf, okay? Not for school.
Mommy.
Here.
Okay. Ayan si Sak. Hi, Sak. Ayan, kino-compare niya yung ano, yung old golf sticks niya. Ay,
Different.
let me see.
Because it was bending right
Yeah.
over. And the shaft, like everything was...
Wobbly.
So with that club, you don't have to do like this. All you do, mate, is this.
Mom.
Plug will hit in the air. Cock your wrist a bit more, mate.
Ollie.
TJ,
Come on, Baba.
do that.
Wow, good chip, Kuya. Excellent, love.
Set it up, mate.
Might
Don't punch it. Just go like this then. Have a practice. Cock. And just a nice... Watch the ball.
My turn.
See that? See the difference in that? Perfect.
What is-
Ollie.
Hurry up.
Go, you're right. You're right.
You're right.
Dad,
Stand back a bit.
try this?
Yeah.
Please.
Watch the ball, Bubsy.
What's the ball, Baba?
Stand back a bit, back a bit. Come on.
Okay, hurry up. Hurry up, Baba. Okay, Kuya's turn. Zachary's turn, Kuya.
Holly, hit it. Come here. Well
Zach.
done, Holly. Come here. Stop. Open that legs, mate. Right, line up, TJ.
Alis dyan, Daddy.
Oh, good shot.
Good shot, Zachary.
Same again. Just cock your wrist and follow through. Oh. Hey, look at that. Hey?
Wow. Again, knock.
Over.
Go back.
This way. Right there.
That's open.
Yep.
Wait.
Wait for TJ to move. Oh no.
Holly, wait, wait. Wait, Kuya, wait. Okay, go. So, eto na, nagluluto na ako ng pang ano namin, yung quesadilla. And eto, inutusan ko si Jan na bumili nito dyan sa malapit na general store sa amin. Ayan, eto yung Old El Paso na tortillas, may 10 wrap. And eto kasi, dalawa na lang, so hindi na siya kasya. So, akin to, so sa kanila yan. And, yung mga boys, si Kuya, ayan, yes, Kuya.
Mom, this part is better than Dad's.
Oh, really? So, i-end ko na tong vlog for today kasi feeling ko mahaba na to. And mamaya, mag-exercise ako. And ayan, nag-upload na ako ng vlog. Tapos ko lang, ang haba nitong vlog. Ito yata ang pinakamahaba kong vlog. 41 minutes. Sana na magustuhan nyo. So, yun na yung vlog, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog. Bye. Good night. So, ayan, ipakita lang sa inyo yung ginagawa kong quesadilla. Di ba nagluto ako ng, anong tawag na, yung ground beef. And, ayan, nilagyan ko siya ng lettuce at saka cheese. Wala kasi akong sour cream. Dapat may sour cream yan on top. Tapos, tatakpan ko siya niyan. And, eto yung sandwich press. Ipipress lang siyang ganyan. Then, i-wait natin siya hanggang maging ready. So, yan. And ready na siya. Oh, ayan. Pag sa kawali nyo ito ginawa, kailangan yung i-flip yung kabila para maluto. Ma-toast ba yung kabilang side. So, ayan. Yan na siya. Ganyan. Oh, diba?
Hi guys, today we're going to shout out
Francesca Borja.
Francesca Borja,
Ana Piol
Annabelle
Cabrera.
Cabrera,
Cloud
Cloud
Gatdula.
Abdullah,
G.
Jeep
Castaño.
Estano,
Wilson
Wilson,
VL.
VL,
Dana
Dana,
Yambao.
Yambao,
Arian
Ariane,
Badillo.
Badillo,
Christina
Christina,
Alvarez.
Alvarez,
Tixon
Kishon,
Ka.
Ka,
Marikit
Maniki,
Dilima.
Dilima.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Where's Holly?
Sleeping right now.
Ito po si Holly, hindi na siya nakasama sa shoutout. Tulog na siya kasama si Baby.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.